Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine, right? So students, this is our fourth video lecture of EVS chapter number 5, soil, right? So before we starting our today's video, we'll do a quick revision of our previous videos, yeah? So let's start. So first of all, first topic is formation of soil. So tell me students, why soil is important to us or the plants? Soil is very important for the plants because without soil we cannot plant trees. Most of the plants need soil to grow, right? But tell me how soil is formed. As we all know that soil is very important for the plants, right? But how soil is formed? So by breaking down of rocks, the soil will form. Big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. See students, for the formation of soil, weathering play a big role in it. For example, sun's heat, rain, storm, wind, all these factors affects the big rocks and the rock will be break down into smaller pieces. And also the smaller pieces of rocks got affected by the weathering and it will also convert into the fine powder. So these big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This whole process is called weathering. From the big pieces of rocks, it will turn into small pieces of rock, and from the small pieces of rocks, the weathering affects this factor and we will get the fine powder. Now this fine powder known as sand, right? This fine powder that we're getting from the big rocks, it will known as the sand. Now this sand mixes with the remains of dead plants, dead animals and minerals. Then after soil is formed. This fine powder mixes with the dead plants, dead animals, humus and minerals. Then after soil is formed, right? Now soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface, and soil is very important for the earth's life, right? It is very important for the life on the earth. Why? Because most of the plants grows in soil. Without soil we cannot plant trees. That is why it is very important to us. And without trees, how we get the food and the oxygen? Right, which is very essential for the human's life as well as the animal's life. So food and the oxygen are essential for our life and it will get from the trees. And without soil we cannot plant it. So soil is very important for life on earth, and it is also the home to many insects and animals, right? So this is how the soil is formed and this is the importance of soil. Then the second topic we learnt about is composition of soil. Second topic is about composition of soil. Now soil is made up of different types of soil particles. Soil is made up of different types of soil particles. Now there are sand, silt and clay. These three are the soil particles. Now in this here you can see this in this picture. Sand is the largest soil particles. Sand is the largest soil particles, while clay are the smallest soil particles, right? Clay are the smallest soil particles, and the silt. So these particles are smaller than sand particles and bigger than clay particles. So there are three types of soil particles: sand, silt and clay. This is the soil particles. Now other than this, soil also contains small stones, pebbles, minerals, humus, air, water. This all things contains by the soil. So this is the composition of soil. Then comes the types of soil. So students, there are mainly three types of soil. And remember, the types of soil depending upon the amount of different small particles present in it. तो सोइल जो होती है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है? डिफरेंट टाइप्स की सोइल जो होती है वो उस सोइल के अंदर कितने अमाउंट में सोइल पार्टिकल्स है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? सो देयर आर थ्री मेन सोइल पार्टिकल्स: सैंड, सिल्ट एंड क्ले. एंड देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ सोइल: सैंडी सोइल, clayey soil and loamy soil. So what is sandy soil? This soil has a greater proportion of sand particles. So in this sandy soil there are lots of sand particles. That is why it is called sandy soil. Then comes our second soil, which is clay soil. So this soil has a greater proportion of clay particles, right? In this soil there are so many particles of clay. That is why it is called clay particles. Then comes the third one, it is loamy soil. So this types of soil almost the same amount of sand, clay and silt. इस टाइप की सोइल में तीनों जो सोइल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो सेम अमाउंट में होते हैं. एंड लोमी सोइल इज द बेस्ट फॉर ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स. व्हाई? Because it is rich in nutrients and humus and also water to pass through easily. That is why loamy soil is the best soil for growing plants. Then comes the soil profile, right? You also learnt about the soil profile. So what is the soil profile? Soil profile refers to the layer of soil. Here you can see this in the picture. This is the plant and यहाँ पे this is what? This is soil, right? तो इस picture में they shows us the different layers of soil. So in this picture this layer has been named A, B and C, right? So A, now A soil is called top soil. This one is called top soil. Top soil is the uppermost layer of the soil and it consists of fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air, right? It is the top soil. Then the second one is B is called subsoil. It is called subsoil. The middle layer of the soil is called subsoil. It contains broken pieces of rocks. And the last one is bottom layer of the soil is called bedrock. The bottom layer of the soil is called bedrock. It consists large pieces of rocks. So there are three layers of the soils: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock, right? Topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Topsoil वो सबसे uppermost layer होता है soil का. Then subsoil is the middle layer of the soil and the bedrock is the bottom layer of the soil. And also it found the deep inside the earth. Okay, so this is the soil profile and these are the three layers of the soil. Then also we learnt about the soil erosion. So what is soil erosion? See, topsoil is the very fertile soil because it rich in humus, right? टॉप सोइल जो है वो सबसे फर्टाइल सोइल होती है, फर्टाइल सोइल का लेयर होता है. सो द रिमूवल ऑफ द फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल बाय एक्शन ऑफ विंड एंड वाटर इज कॉल्ड सोइल इरोशन. बहुत ज़्यादा विंड और वाटर यानी कि रेनफॉल की वजह से जो टॉप लेयर होता है, टॉप सोइल जो होता है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा फर्टाइल होता है, वो रेनफॉल की वजह से, स्टॉर्म की वजह से वो वॉश आउट हो जाता है. और जो वॉश आउट हो जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं सोइल इरोशन. द रिमूवल ऑफ फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल बाय द एक्शन ऑफ विंड एंड वाटर इज कॉल्ड सोइल इरोशन. या देन comes our today's topic, the last topic of this chapter. It is called soil conservation, right? The last topic that we are going to learn in this chapter is called soil conservation. So let's start. Okay, plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. Plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. So students, plants जो है वो अपने बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो होते हैं वो उनको मिलते हैं टॉप सॉइल में से. प्लांट्स गेट मोस्ट ऑफ देयर न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम दी टॉप सॉइल. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सॉइल फ्रॉम इरोशन इज नोन एज सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सॉइल फ्रॉम इरोशन is known as soil conservation. Now what is soil erosion? So the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. बहुत सारे wind और rainfall की वजह से जो top soil होता है हमारा, right, जो top soil जो fertile होता है वो wash out हो जाता है. because सबसे ज़्यादा जब storm आता है wind की वजह से, बहुत heavy rainfall की वजह से जो top layer होता है वो wash हो जाता है, right? तो इसे हम कहते हैं soil erosion. अब जब हमें प्लांट को सोइल इरोशन से बचाना है तो उसे हम कहते हैं सोइल कंजर्वेशन. वाइल वी प्रोटेक्ट द सोइल फ्रॉम द इरोशन इज नोन एज सोइल कंजर्वेशन. सोइल को हम प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं इरोशन से, इसे हम कहते हैं सोइल कंजर्वेशन, राइट. अगर हमें सॉइल इरोशन से प्लांट को बचाना है, सॉइल को बचाना है, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सॉइल कंजर्वेशन। प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सॉइल फ्रॉम इरोशन इज नोन एज सॉइल कंजर्वेशन। Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. When we protect the soil from the erosion is known as soil conservation, right? So there are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. अगर हमें soil को erosion से बचाना है, so we must take some steps, and they are: first one, more number of trees should be planted to replace the one that are cut down. More numbers of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स? जो भी एक ट्री हम कट कर रहे हैं, राइट, उसके रिप्लेसमेंट में हमें बहुत सारे नंबर्स में ट्रीज़ को प्लांट करना चाहिए. वी शुड प्लांट मोर नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज, रिप्लेस द वंस दैट आर कट डाउन. ओके, एक ट्री अगर हम कट कर रहे हैं तो उसके रिप्लेसमेंट में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर्स में ट्रीज़ को प्लांट करना चाहिए. सेकेंड स्टेप इज़ ट्रीज एंड बुशेस शुड बी प्लांटेड इन ओपन लैंड्स. ट्रीज एंड बुशेस शुड बी प्लांटेड इन ओपन लैंड्स. जो ओपन लैंड्स होती है वहाँ पे हमें ट्रीज और बुशेस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट करना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज दिस प्रैक्टिस डज नॉट अलाउ द विंड टू ब्लो फुल फोर्स एंड टेक अवे द टॉप सॉइल. सो ये जो ओपन लैंड्स होती है, दिस प्रैक्टिस डज नॉट अलाउ विंड टू ब्लो फुल फोर्स. तो जहाँ पे ओपन प्लेसेस पे अगर हम ये सारी जो ट्रीज़ एंड बुशेस को अगर हम प्लांट करते हैं तो विंड जो है वो फुल फोर्स में ब्लो नहीं कर पाएगा, एंड इट विल नॉट टेक अवे दी टॉप सॉइल, राइट. विंड जो है वो फुल फोर्स में जब ब्लो नहीं करेगा, फुल फोर्स में नहीं आएगा, तो वो टॉप सॉइल को भी रिमूव नहीं कर पाएगा. सो वी शुड प्लांट ट्रीज एंड बुशेस इन दी ओपन लैंड्स. देन द थर्ड स्टेप इज flowing water can easily wash away a lot of topsoil. तो जो वाटर जो है फ्लो करता है, राइट, सो तो जो फ्लोइंग वाटर होता है इट कैन ईजीली वॉश अवे अ लॉट ऑफ टॉप सॉइल. तो जो फ्लोइंग वाटर होता है वो बहुत सारी जो टॉप सॉइल होती है उसको ईजीली रिमूव कर सकता है, ईजीली वॉश कर सकता है. डैम्स शुड बी बिल्ट अक्रॉस रिवर्स टू प्रिवेंट फ्लड्स. सी स्टूडेंट्स, रिवर के आसपास हमें हमेशा डैम्स जो है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नंबर में बिल्ड करने चाहिए. तो उससे क्या होगा? इट विल प्रिवेंट दी फ्लड्स. फ्लड से हमें वो बचाएगा, राइट. उससे सोइल इरोशन जो है वो बहुत ही कम होगा. सो देर आर द 3 स्टेप्स दैट वी मस्ट टेक टू प्रिवेंट द सोइल इरोशन. फर्स्ट वन इज़ मोर नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Second one is trees and bushes should be planted in the open lands. This practice does not allow the winds to blow full force and take away the topsoil. And the third step is that we should follow is flowing water can easily wash away a lot of topsoil. So dams should be built across river to prevent floods, right? So this steps we should follow to stop the soil erosion. Then comes the green corner. We must prevent soil erosion. We must prevent soil erosion. Why? Because it takes about 500 years for nature to make 1 inch of topsoil. See students, हमें soil को erosion से बचाना चाहिए. वी शुड स्टॉप द सॉइल इरोशन. वाई? क्योंकि जो टॉप सॉइल का जो 1 इंच होता है इट विल टेक 500 years टू मेक. इट टेक्स अबाउट 500 years फॉर नेचर टू मेक 1 inch ऑफ टॉप सॉइल. टॉप सॉइल जो टॉप सॉइल होती है, राइट, यहाँ पे जो हम सॉइल प्रोफाइल में दिखा था, दिस इज दी टॉप सॉइल. तो ये जो टॉप सॉइल का जो 1 इंच होता है, टॉप सॉइल का 1 इंच बनने में भी कितना टाइम लगता है? इट विल टेक 500 years. इट विल टेक 500 years फॉर नेचर टू मेक 1 inch ऑफ टॉप सॉइल. सो सी टॉप सॉइल इज हाउ मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट. सो वी मस्ट प्रिवेंट सॉइल इरोशन. Then the fact file. In ancient India, people classified soils in only 2 groups. In ancient India, people classified soils into only 2 groups, fertile or non-fertile. fertile soil was called Urava, non-fertile soil was called Usara. राइट, एशियंट इंडिया में जो है वो सॉइल को हमने 2 टाइप्स में ही डिवाइड किया है, 2 ग्रुप्स में, फर्टाइल एंड नॉन फर्टाइल। जो फर्टाइल सॉइल होती है उसे हम कहते हैं उरावा, एंड जो नॉन फर्टाइल सॉइल होती है हम उसे कहते हैं उसारा। राइट, देन द कीवर्ड्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, फर्स्ट वन, सॉइल, द टॉप लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ सैंड, remains of dead plants and animals and minerals with some amount of water and air in it is called soil. So first of all students, what is soil? Our chapter's name is soil, right? We learned all the topics related to soil, right? So what is soil? The top layer of the earth surface. earth का surface जो है उसका top layer क्या है? soil. The top layer of the earth surface which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals and minerals with some amount of water and air in it is called soil. तो अर्थ का टॉप लेयर जिसके अंदर डेड प्लांट्स, डेड एनिमल्स, मिनरल्स, सैंड, कुछ अमाउंट में वाटर एंड एयर, ये सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर इंक्लूड है, इसे हम कहते हैं सॉइल। राइट, टॉप लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ सैंड, remains of dead plants and animals and minerals with some amount of water and air in it is called soil. Second one is soil erosion. So what is soil erosion? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the actions of wind and water is called soil erosion. The removal of fertile topsoil by actions of wind and water is called soil erosion. Soil erosion कैसे कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? तो जो टॉप सॉइल होती है, फर्टाइल टॉप सॉइल होती है, वो विंड और वाटर की जब एक्शंस आता है, स्टॉर्म आता है या तो हैवी रेनफॉल होता है, तो उसकी वजह से जो टॉप सॉइल होती है वो रिमूव हो जाती है, वो वॉश आउट हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द विंड एंड वाटर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉइल इरोशन. द रिमूवल ऑफ द फर्टाइल टॉप सॉइल बाय द एक्शंस ऑफ winds and water is called soil erosion. Then the third one is soil conservation. Soil conservation. What is it? Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. जब हम सोइल को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम द इरोशन, राइट, यहाँ पे इरोशन हमने देखा है, व्हाट इज सोइल इरोशन? रिमूवल ऑफ द फर्टाइल टॉप सोइल. सो व्हेन वी प्रोटेक्ट द सोइल फ्रॉम द इरोशन इज नोन एज सोइल कंजर्वेशन. राइट, सोइल इरोशन से हम जब सोइल को बचाते हैं, प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, उसे कहते हैं सोइल कंजर्वेशन. राइट, soil erosion and soil conservation. These are the keywords of this chapter. Then the last one is summary. Yeah, first one is the breaking down of rocks over a long period of time forms soil. The breaking down of rocks over a long period of time forms soil. See students, soil takes thousands of years to form. Soil takes thousands of years to form. The breaking down of rocks over a long period of time forms soil. तो जो rocks है, big rocks, when it will break down, then we'll get the soil. So it will take thousands of years to break down of rocks, right? And the second one is there are 3 types of soil: sandy, clayey, and loamy soil. So students, there are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Yeah. Then the third one is the 3 layers of the soil in a soil profile are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. The 3 layers of the soil in soil profile are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. जो soil profile थी हमारी, right? We learnt about the soil profile. In that we learnt about the 3 layers of the soil. So these 3 layers of the soils are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Then soil erosion is the removal of the fertile topsoil by the actions of wind and water. Now this is called what? Soil erosion, right? Soil erosion is the removal of fertile topsoil by the actions of wind and water. And the last one is soil can be conserved by planting more trees and by building dams across the river to prevent floods. So we can stop the soil erosion, right? Soil can be conserved. How soil can be conserved? By planting more trees and building dams. By planting more trees and building dams across the river to prevent floods. That is how we can conserve the soil. Okay. So in this chapter, what we learned? In this chapter, we learned about the formation of soil, that how soil is formed, then composition of soil. In that we learned about the three soil particles, silt, sand and clay. Then we learned about the types of soil, three main types of soil, sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. Then the fourth topic that we learned is soil profile. So soil profile also has the three layers. It is called topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Then we also learned about the soil erosion, right? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. And in the last, we also learned about the soil conservation. So protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation, right? So ये चैप्टर में हमने क्या सोइल कैसे फॉर्म होती है वो सीखा, कॉम्पोजिशन सोइल के क्या है वो सीखा. We also learnt about the different types of soil, the soil profile, the different layer of the soil, soil erosion and how to protect the soil erosion from the soil conservation. All this topic we learn about in this chapter, right? So if here our explanation of this chapter is over. So if you have any query regarding any topic, you can drop a message or call me. And your homework for a day is underline the hard words first of all. Conservation. Yeah, there is only one hard word in this. So you have to write down this hard word in your Fair Notebook of EVS as well as the keywords, right? You have to also write down the keywords in your Fair Notebook of EVS. Okay, fine. Bye bye everyone. Have a wonderful day. From the next video lecture, we'll start the exercise part. Okay, bye bye everyone.